Hey everyone, just a quick video here. I just wanted to share with you guys that I've updated the poster, okay, the shop poster. This is the original here. You'll notice right in this area over here, if you own one of these already, that some of this information can be just a little bit confusing. I actually was confused by it myself, so I changed it in the second edition. I added a line here and just kind of rearranged some of the information. If you have one of the original posters, that information on there is not wrong at all. The other thing I did was down at the bottom, I added some more information in regards to some of the cross-reference material. If you want to have one of these posters, there's a link. The link is always the same. It's going to be right down in the description below, the eBay link. And I have one more announcement to make.
Welcome to Kirk's Motorrad Shop. I set up this page as a way for you guys to be able to quickly find some of the parts that you need for your LT and for other BMW motorcycles. And as you can see, I've got oil related things, of course all your filters, quick disconnects, new fuel lines, tires, the brake rotor, just all kinds of different things. There's those magic bleeders that you guys have asked about. I do get a little kickback from Amazon. It does not affect your price at all. You'll see a lot of the products on here that I've talked about in other videos. And anyway, I hope you guys will use it. There will be a lot more being added to this page as time goes on. If you guys have any ideas as to products that could be put on here, send me that information. Send me a link at Kirk at IllinoisBMWRiders.com, and I will be sure to put it in there. You guys will also find all the links to this page as well as my email down in the description below.
That's all I got. So just wanted to give you a little brief update. There's going to be a lot more videos coming up real soon. Thanks so much for watching, and guys, I will see you on the next one.